Hello everyone. Here is a question to begin this lecture. Have you ever worn an outfit that looked good but did not feel comfortable? In this lecture, we will talk about how to find the balance between confidence and comfort in your business casual wardrobe. We will also cover choosing clothes that fit well, using materials that feel good, and adding details that make you feel confident without sacrificing comfort. By the end of this lecture, you will select business casual items that offer both comfort and confidence. Understand the importance of fit and fabric in creating a comfortable professional look. Recognize small adjustments that enhance your comfort while maintaining a polished appearance. One of the most important aspects of confidence and comfort in business casual is fit. Clothes that are too tight can feel restrictive, while overly loose clothes may look unprofessional. A well-fitting outfit allows you to move easily and projects a polished look. Fashion consultant Tim Gunn explains that fit is about allowing clothes to work with your body, not against it. He recommends finding items that complement your natural shape, such as pants that fit comfortably at the waist or shirts with sleeves that reach the right length. When clothes fit well, they make you feel both confident and comfortable, eliminating distractions so you can focus on your work. Imagine comfort as the foundation of a house. Just as a solid foundation keeps a house stable and secure, comfort keeps your outfit strong and confident. If the foundation is unstable, the house won't stand firm. Similarly, if your outfit isn't comfortable, it affects how confident you feel. Building on a base of comfort allows you to add other layers, like style and professionalism. They make the entire outfit strong and complete. The fabric you wear also affects comfort. Business casual attire calls for fabrics that feel good against the skin, especially for items worn all day. Fabrics like cotton, linen blends, and wool offer breathability and durability. Cotton is soft and versatile, perfect for shirts and trousers, while wool is warm and wrinkle resistant, making it great for blazers or pants in cooler weather. Textile expert Claire Edwards suggests choosing fabrics that support a range of movements without restricting you. She adds that breathable materials help maintain comfort, particularly in long meetings or busy office settings. Opting for high quality, comfortable fabrics ensure your business casual outfits look as good as they feel. Shoes are a key part of any business casual look, and they have to balance style with comfort. Since most of us are on our feet at various points throughout the day, it is important to choose shoes that offer support. Loafers, low heels, and polished flats provide comfort and look professional. Sometimes, a small personal detail can boost your confidence and help you feel more like yourself. A watch, a favorite scarf, or a simple piece of jewelry can add that extra touch that makes your outfit feel complete. It's important, however, to keep these touches subtle in a business casual setting. Psychologist Carolyn Meyer explains that confidence is often a matter of feeling authentic in your choices. She suggests that adding one personal touch to your outfit can serve as a small reminder of your personality and help ground you in a professional setting. Seasonal changes can impact comfort levels, so it is essential to adjust your business casual attire accordingly. For warm weather, opt for lighter fabrics like cotton or linen blends and avoid heavy layers that can feel stifling. In cooler months, adding a lightweight sweater or cool blazer provides warmth while still looking polished. Remember, layers should add comfort without sacrificing the professional look. Choose a day to wear business casual clothes made from different fabrics such as cotton or wool. Reflect on how each fabric feels during the day and identify which materials contribute most to your comfort. Summing up the long discussion, when you feel comfortable in your clothes, your confidence naturally follows, allowing you to make a positive and professional impression. This lecture covered the essential balance between confidence and comfort in business casual attire. So far, so good? Let's discuss. What's one item in your wardrobe that feels both comfortable and boosts your confidence? How does it contribute to your overall professional appearance? Do share your ideas in the comment section. Let's move forward to another lecture. See you then.